we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names, both in French and in English. This is a name of French origin, but it's also the name of a university in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Also, famously, there's a fort named after it. So how do you go about saying it? For reference, in French it is said as Duquesne. The S is virtually silent here, Duquesne. In English, and American English in particular, it is normally said as Duquesne. Duquesne, from French Duquesne. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more famous places around the US and more French names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.